That word.
Stop that. Stop that. Okay, that's too much. What you come back rough. Okay,
I'm sorry.
Don't speak from don't speak from your stomach. No. Don't speak from your stomach.
You dare not say
I've said that.
You use the word childish, which is not a bit.
I'm childish. No. Don't be childish yourself.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm more sensible than you.
Offer.
You can do it.
No.
You are too childish.
You are going to beat me.
I'm saying that.
Why?
Go back.
Why?
You are too childish.
Why?
I get.
Offer.
Look.
Offer.
You want to beat me?
I said you are too
You
childish.
want to beat me?
Oh yes.
Offer.
And I'm ready to face it.
No, offer.
You insulted me.
I'm sorry.
You are telling me
Offer.
everything
No. Offer. No.
And you're going to beat me?
No. Honorable Trahamame.
I will discipline you.
Honorable Trahamame.
I'll kill you here.
Hey, no.
Yes, you try me.
David. Honorable, Mr. No. Honorable, I'm sorry. Please. Oh,
stupid guy.
Stupid.
We don't need it. We don't need it. No. Asanso, please.
What can you do?
Honorable,
But you say something and see.
Honorable,
You will kill me.
You will regret.
You will kill me.
No.
Defend myself.
No.
Childish.
You.
I'm too
Your
stupid.
submission is useless.
No.
You have a useless submission.
Please. Mr. Ramo, I'm sorry. I tell for.
Oh dear. You wait.
Me wait.
No.
I will take you on that.
No. Honorable.
I should wait. I will take you on that.
I don't think so. You're here, sir. No.
You've lost your respect with me.
Honorable.
Okay?
Too childish.
I thought you were very sensible.
Very responsible.
Come on.
Very.
You're useless.
No.
Very useless.
No, senior.
No, he's useless.
You're
useless.
Senior.
I think you heard that.
I heard everything.
If you have the audacity to insult me,
no.
What did I do to you?
So, who the match have do?
I know why I say you in a CM for no. I need you. Maybe I won't have a